Yay, so it's finally here. I did order some stuff from Women's Best. I ordered this on the 10th of October and it is now the 22nd, I believe, so it took kind of a while to get to me, just probably because it's coming from the UK. But I'm excited, and I'm excited to see and use all of it. So this is what's inside. I ordered the pre-workout booster in Tropical Punch, and then I did also get the Bca Amino in Iced Tea Peach. I heard a lot of good things about this one, so hopefully this tastes good. And I did get some protein from them, so I'm gonna try this. And I got it also in the unicorn flavor. I couldn't find anything on the unicorn flavor and what it tastes like online, so I'm hoping this will be okay as far as like taste wise. If not, then hopefully I can just mix it with something and it'll taste okay, because that's gonna be a waste if I don't drink the whole thing. And then it did come with free protein crisp, and I got salt and vinegar, so we'll try that. And then it also came with these protein bites, and I got them in cookies and cream. I heard they're good, so we'll see. And then I got a shaker. I like their shakers only because of this part right here. A lot of the shakers that I've used before had like the metal circle ball on the inside, but this one's easier to clean and it doesn't, I don't know, I just like this one better. But yeah, that's what I ordered, and I forget how much I spent on this bundle, but I'm hoping to use these today when I go to the gym. I've been working out a lot recently since I finished school and I'm all settled in my place. But I'm excited to try these, and I will keep you guys updated on as far as flavors and what it does for me, what the pre-workout does for me before I work out. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I got from Women's Best. I just opened these, and this is what they look like on the inside. They're like little chips. And I got the flavor salt and vinegar, and it's pretty good. So if you guys order some, get the salt and vinegar. So I'm gonna open actually I'm just gonna go ahead and open these. The one I'm opening is the Bca Amino in Iced Tea Peach. It came in 200 grams. It smells good. It smells really good, but I'm wondering how it tastes. So this is the scoop that it comes with here. It's pretty small, so I think you're supposed to do 1 scoop. Yeah, so it says here number of scoops, 1 level scoop with 400 mLs of water. And that's going to give you high BCAA levels. And if you do 2 scoops, you have to add 800 mLs of water, and you're going to get intense BCAA levels. This smells really good, so I'm hoping it tastes just as it smells. But I'm excited to try this out and see what happens. I am trying to grow my muscles like everybody else, but I was kind of feeling like a plateau in the gym, so I was like, okay, what am I gonna try and see what works for me. But I'm excited to try this. It smells really good. I'm not sure how it's gonna taste yet, so I'm gonna try this later today. And then this is a pre-workout booster in Tropical Punch, and this has 300 grams in it. And let's see, it says it's vegan, lactose-free, and gluten-free. So for everybody that's looking for those specifications in pre-workouts, try this thing out. I haven't tried it yet, but it claims it's vegan free, lactose free, and gluten free. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, it smells really good too. Okay, so this is the scooper that it came with. It looks kind of different than the Bca one, but yeah, this smells really good. Hopefully it tastes good too, because you never know. Sometimes something smells a certain way and it doesn't taste as it smells. It says here, mix 1 to 2 scoops with 400 to 700 ml of water in shaker or glass as required. Consume around 15 minutes prior to workouts. 1 scoop is 10 grams. So shaker, pre-workout, you're good to go. And then I did also get the Whey Protein in unicorn flavor. I couldn't find anything as far as like what it tastes like online, so I'm hoping that it tastes good, because everything else I was kind of like, oh, I don't like that flavor. So we'll see how this one goes. And just, that's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it kind of smells good too, but I don't know. I don't know where the scooper's at, or I don't even know if it has a scooper, but it's pretty full. So this is everything I got. Protein bites. I heard online that these are really good. I haven't tried them yet, but I'll try them later. So I got the Whey Protein, my pre-workout booster, and my Bca Amino in iced tea peach. Got my shaker, and I'm good to go for the gym. So I'll keep you guys updated as far as what happens when I try these. I think I spent like maybe 70 bucks on all of this, just because I think they were having a sale, if I'm not mistaken, the time that I ordered it. But for I think $72, $73, I feel like this is such a good deal. And Women's Best is always having like discount codes or stuff like that, so just keep a lookout if you're wanting to try these. I mean, I'm not a fitness guru or anything. I'm just unboxing and showing you guys what I got to see if these even work out for me. I'm gonna try them out at the gym, so I'll keep you guys posted. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Oh my god.